Sky-Hunter. What is the Sky-Hunter? Well, actually, it's pretty complicated. Actually, it's not really that complicated, but it has a really cool complication. Let's check it out. This is the Sky-Hunter by MMI Watches. And the Sky-Hunter is, in essence, a dress pilot's watch. It has aviation themes, and at the same time, it's fairly dressy. It's rugged and beautiful. And although it has aviation vibes to it, the MMI Sky-Hunter is actually a fairly small watch. Going against the grain of typical pilot's watches, this one comes in at a mere 38 millimeters. And I think the dimensions lend an air of dressiness to this watch. You're looking at a 38 millimeter diameter, and the lug-to-lug is only a 45.5 millimeter. It's only 10.6 millimeters thick, and that means this watch wears really well. It has a horizontal brush dial, which is actually very nice. It's made of 316L stainless steel. It utilizes super luminova. It has a Miyota 9015 movement under the hood. It's 100 meters water resistant, and it has sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating and a signed lumed screw-down crown. And all of that adds up to a watch that is not only good looking, but also extremely functional. In fact, I would say this would make a fantastic everyday watch. You could take this to the office, it would look great in that setting, and then you could take it to the beach and go swimming. Absolutely zero problems. It comes in 6 colorways. It even includes a full loomed dial depending on the colorway, and it has a 1-year warranty. And you can get all of this right now for $328 US. I think that is an amazing value. But there also is one more trick up MMI's sleeve, and that is the date complication. I think this is my 3rd or 4th MMI watch to have this complication. It's a unique complication. It's sort of a take on the pointer date, but instead of a pointer, it's a spinning disc. There are 31 notches around the disc, and a little orange spot will illuminate exactly what day of the month it is. I think this is a fantastic and interesting option. The only change that I would make to this complication is that while it is a bright orange, which is easy to see, and I know they've worked on improving the clarity of the date, I just wish it was red to match the tip on the seconds hand. I think that would look fantastic. Now, my version has the old radium style lume on it. It is the silver dial with the tan indices, and it looks fantastic. It really does. Plays with the light. It's very interesting, very dynamic. I quite enjoy it. But that means with this style of lume, the lume isn't as good as you would find with a more traditional colorway. I wouldn't say that this lume is going to last you into the early hours of the morning, especially with the size of the watch. Let's just be honest, it's not a dive watch. The brushing looks really well done on the case. The bracelet isn't outstanding, but it's a very good bracelet. It has plenty of micro adjustments and a milled clasp, and frankly, it would embarrass a lot of Seiko bracelets. The printing is crisp, the logo is tidy. Everything about this watch just looks well proportioned, crisp and clean, and well done. The hour hand is a good length. It doesn't interfere with the date complication. And the minute and the seconds hand are extra long, reaching all the way out. The hands are just well proportioned overall. So there's a lot to like here. It's a very attractive watch. It's good looking. It's functional, has good water resistance. It's comfortable. It wears well on a variety of wrists. I think for $300 and change, this is a great pickup. I would encourage you, though, if you are into this watch, to get it sooner than later because it was even cheaper at launch, which was a couple weeks ago, and it's going up as time goes on. As for complaints, I don't really have any. I wish it was 40 millimeters. That would suit my 8.5-inch wrist better, but of course, my wrist is not the norm. If you like what you see, check out MMI Watches. I really do think that they are a sleeper brand that sort of goes under the radar a little too much. I think that they don't get the recognition that they deserve. All of the pieces that I have seen from them have been really great, well thought out pieces, with of course one of the most interesting complications that have come across my desk this year. Thanks to MMI Watches for loaning this one into the channel, and a huge thanks to you for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, well, I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day. Sky-Hunter. Sky-Hunter.